guys, Alexandra Ferrante here. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Again, this is DiyAF. Welcome if this is your first time watching. What I do is I show easy and affordable ways to upgrade your older home. So today we're going to be working on my bathroom. So guys, this is the most embarrassing part of my house. So I'm being super vulnerable by sharing this with you. I hate my hall bathroom. It's original 1960s. You're gonna see here in a second. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint that old colorful tile. So if you have colorful 4x4s or even just old 4x4 tiles in your house, this is a super and affordable, easy way to upgrade those. So let's get started. All right, so here is my lovely green tile. So in a few hours, we're gonna be finished with this, but here are the materials you need, guys. First off, Rustoleum makes this tub and tile refinishing kit. You could use it on any ceramic tile or bathtubs. I tried to get it at Home Depot, but most stores don't carry it and they won't ship it to you, so Amazon. I got it on Amazon. You will need a paint tray. You absolutely want a mask and goggles and gloves. Mixing these together they're chemicals, so we just want to make sure we stay safe. Stirring sticks. We're going to use a high quality 4-inch foam roller. Some 400 grit sandpaper. And then to clean and prepare the surface, we're going to need Comet, Lime Away, and some abrasive scrubbing pads. These are drop cloths, so we're gonna make sure we cover the floor, and you'll also need painter's tape. All right, guys, so as you can see, I taped a drop cloth very carefully, tape the edge of the countertop so we're not dripping paint everywhere. Next step is to thoroughly clean the surface with an abrasive cleaner like Comet. So I don't know if you've ever used Comet, it's a pretty strong smell, so you probably wanna put your mask on. And make sure it's well ventilated. That's something I didn't mention earlier. I have a fan in here. When I start cleaning and getting things going, I'm gonna make sure the fan's running and the window is open. So let's scrub it all down with Comet. Okay, so it's all scrubbed and cleaned with Comet. Next, you're gonna take your Lime Away. I don't really have too much of it. This bathroom isn't used that often. But if you have a bathroom that is used often, you're gonna wanna make sure you clean with Lime Away really well around the edge of the sink, the back of it, to make sure you remove any lime deposits. Whew. All right, guys, bit of advice. Do not do this when it's 90 degrees outside. I'm learning my lesson. So next, this is all scrubbed and clean. I'm gonna give it a few minutes to to dry. So I'm gonna start taping the rest of the edges of the countertops. So next step, the last thing to do before we start the painting process is we're gonna sand the surface just lightly. Again, I got a 400 grit wet dry sandpaper. So make sure you're using your goggles and your mask so you're not inhaling anything. And we're gonna sand down the surface. So let's get started. Sanded, I rinsed it, cleaned, I dried it, I taped off the sink because I'm not going to be painting the sink. Next, you're going to take your tack cloths and we're going to use this to wipe off any last residue that may be sitting on the surface. So it's perfectly prepped for painting. So we're going to mix the pieces together. So we want to open them, mix each separately, and then we're going to pour this little can into the big can. Okay, so we just finished the second coat. It's looking pretty good. At this point, I don't think we need a third one, but I'll check back in an hour and we'll see from there. So I gave it 24 hours to dry. It is all dry. Next, we're just gonna take off all the tape and decorate the way we want. So give me a few minutes. Goodbye, ugly green countertops. Hello, white modern ones. Guys, that wasn't too difficult, was it? Please subscribe to my channel. I post lots of easy ways to upgrade your home on a budget. We're gonna be doing a series of episodes based around this bathroom where I'm gonna teach you other easy tricks. Again, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you watching. This is Alexandra Ferrante, guys, with DIYAF. I'll catch you next time.